In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Dynadot domain to your Shopify store. First of all, you need to go to your Shopify store admin and then go to the settings. In the menu, we need to find domains and click on it. Right here, you will see connect existing domain button. You need to click on this and you need to enter your domain right here. If you don't remember, you can go to Dynadot, click on your profile in the top right corner, go to My Domains, Manage Domains, and right here you will see your domain name. You can copy it from here and paste in the Shopify. Then click on Next. Now we need to wait a few seconds, and now we need to connect our domain to Shopify. So we need to add these two records, which are A and C name records. Let's go to Dynadot, click on our domain name. Then we need to scroll a little bit down and we need to go to our domain DNS settings. Right here, we need to scroll this down and choose Dynadot DNS. And we need to start filling the necessary gaps. So first of all, in the domain record, we need to select A. Then we need to copy this IP address from here. After that, in the subdomain, we need to write www. In the record, we need to choose CNAME, and in the destination, we need to copy this value and paste it right here. We can leave the TTL on default and click on Save Settings. Now we can go back to the Shopify and click on I updated DNS records. Now we can wait. So as you can see, our DNS records are updated, and now we need to wait from few minutes to few hours and our domain will be connected to Shopify. As you can see, Shopify calculated and estimated time is 5 minutes. So let's wait and I'll show you the result. So as you can see, our domain is already connected to Shopify store. So if we go to the domains again, as you can see, we have got a new primary domain. So we can copy the domain. Let's paste the domain in the browser. And as you can see, it's working and it's connected to the Shopify store. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.